Staying with that meeting, Moon pledged the government will invest more in technologies linked to the fourth industrial revolution, the likes of IoT or Internet of Things and big data. Kim Jian shares with us the committee's initial blueprint.
The Committee on the Fourth Industrial Revolution will focus on the convergence of smart technologies, which have the potential to raise the country's competitiveness in new industries and create new jobs. In the manufacturing sector, it plans to expand smart factories, support the development of industrial robots, and accelerate the use of 3D printers in manufacturing. The committee also aims to provide higher quality service by incorporating artificial intelligence and robots in the medical field and build big data centers to help facilitate an environment where data can be readily exchanged and utilized. Another aim of the committee is to make Korea the world's first country to commercialize 5G internet connectivity, a necessity in the era of the Internet of Things where everything is connected to the web. To do all this, the committee says it will boost R&D funding and push for deregulation so that companies engaged in new industries can freely test their innovative ideas, products, and services. The committee will be divided into technology, social innovation, and management teams and will convene every 3 months with more regular meetings if the chairperson, a private expert in related fields, deems it necessary. Kim Jian, Arirang News.